Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Rocky Linux on Linode VDS with monitoring, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Linode account. Navigate to the Linode section in the dashboard. Click on the Create Linode button. Select Rocky Linux from the distribution options. Choose your preferred plan based on your resource needs. Select the data center location nearest to your target audience. Configure the additional options as required, such as backups or power management. Click on the Create Linode button to initiate the setup process. Wait for the Linode to deploy, which may take a few minutes. Once the Linode is running, access the terminal via SSH. Open your terminal application. Type SSH root at your Linode IP and replace your Linode IP with the actual IP address. Press Enter and accept the security prompt if prompted. Enter your root password when prompted. Now, update your system to the latest packages. Run the command dnf update y in your terminal. Next, install monitoring tools for system performance tracking. Use the command dnf install top y for a basic resource monitor. For more advanced monitoring, install netdata using the command bash curl sshttps://my-netdata.io/. Once installed, you can access netdata through your web browser. Use your Linode's IP address followed by 19999 to view the dashboard. To enhance security, configure a firewall. Install the firewall with dnf install firewall y. Enable and start the firewall service using systemcl enable firewalled and systemcl start firewalled. Configure the firewall to allow SSH access. Run the command firewall cmd permanent add service equals SSH. Reload the firewall with firewall cmd reload to apply changes. Finally, review all configurations to ensure everything is set up correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.